What's going on, guys? So today I will show you how you can move your apps to a different drive in your computer. So let's start. All right, so first go ahead and open up your file explorer, and here let's go to your local disk C. So this is where your programs are installed. Now once you're here, your programs will be in program files or program files 86. So depending on what kind of program you're going to move, you will find that program in either of these folders. So let's just open up program files. And here, let's try to copy this one, Audacity. So what you can do here is you can double click on this folder. All right, now here, click on the address bar and let's copy this address. So let's do a right click and copy. Now open up your command prompt. So go to search and just type cmd. Now click on run as administrator. Now once you're here, you can type robo copy and followed by 2 quotation marks. Now let's paste the address that we copied earlier on the middle of these 2 quotation marks. So let's just press Ctrl V. After that, let's give it a space and another 2 quotation marks. Now this time, let's open up the drive that you want your program to be copied to. So let's go to this PC. Now I want to store it in my D drive. So I'm going to double click this one to open. And here, let's create a folder. So let's do a right click and new. Now click on folder and let's name this one program. All right, now double click this folder to open and let's create another folder here. So let's do a right click, new folder, and let's name this Audacity. Let's double click this to open. Now after that, let's click on the address bar here. Now let's do a right click and copy. Now let's go back to the command prompt, and here let's paste the address in between the 2 quotation marks like so. Now after that, type in space /sec space /move space /e. Now after that, just hit enter on your keyboard and it should copy the file. So you are going to see something like this. Now after this one, type mklink and then 2 quotation marks, and let's paste again the address of the original app. So for this one, we can just go back to the top, and here we can actually highlight this one. So only the string in between this quotation, and let's click on right click and let's go down and press Ctrl V. Now let's do a space / and J. Now let's hit enter. All right, now you can close your command prompt, and here are the files that we moved. So this is now in drive D, program, and Audacity, and this is the file that we copied. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you liked it, and see you again on the next one.